and welcome to the vlog. Got home from the gym, so don't mind the fit, the hair, the face, all of the above. I did a cycle class today. I have about 1 hour, less than an hour, and I have to start getting ready for work. And I go to the salon, and then I go to my other job, and I work until like 3 in the morning. So it's a not fun day. I wanted to show you guys how I make my new favorite coffee. This is a coffee bean, just cold brew. I should save it, but I literally dumped some out. This is what I can't stand when they put 5 ice cubes in it. Some people drink their drinks like this. Could not be me. So I literally buy ice. I just have ice in my freezer. I want to get like an ice machine, but I'm not somebody that like needs this fancy ice. I just need ice. Why don't people like ice in their drinks? Fill her with ice. Fill her with ice until we can't do any more ice. And then have just a little bit of roux. Then I get almond milk creamer. This is the hitter. These. I believe that's what they're called. It's a superfood mushroom blend. They have ones that are coffee. I have not tried that because I put this in my coffee. I got the hot chocolate one because before I was doing like mocha and creamer, so it tastes the same. This has lion's mane, ashwagandha, and a couple other turkey tail, and a couple other mushrooms that help with like stress and anxiety and stuff. To be honest, I've done this for the past 4 days now. I'm stressed. It's not working, so I don't know if I like it for that. I'm trying to stay lower calorie, at least in like my coffee sense, because I have coffee every day. And these are only 25 calories to add, and they're only 2 grams of sugar, which is not that much. Creamer, and then a packet of this together. And then for these, so I bought this because I like how it comes in the package. I got this on Amazon, it just came in today, but you can also buy literally the same thing, or they have a big tub, or you can buy it individual like this if you just want to try it from Whole Foods. But I bought this from Amazon. It's a little bit cheaper on Amazon, so I will have it linked in my storefront for anyone interested. Yeah, so then I just take any cup. Yeah, so this is like super yummy, still sweet, and it's under 100 calories. The ones that I normally get from Starbucks are definitely like 200-300 calories. Like I literally drink my calories. So yeah, so we do a little bit of creamer right in here. And then we just add the whole packet to the creamer. This way it's like nice and blended. And then I have this whisk from making my matcha. So I just whisk it all together. That way it's nice and blended and not powdery, because I hate that. And yeah, this tastes so good. It literally tastes like the same order I was getting before, which was from Coffee Bean. I was getting a cold brew with mocha and half. But this is literally probably way less sugar and way less calories, and it tastes the same. So we'll see. So then I just pour it literally in here. Look at that perfect pour. Get the f out of town. Let's try her. 10 out of 10. 20 out of 10. And then yeah, so for breakfast today, I have 2 hard-boiled eggs. Yeah, then I will talk to you guys after I get ready and go to the salon.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So I just finished my last client. So I filmed some reels. I forgot to like film this while I was filming that because I was a little stressed on time. But yeah, we filmed some Instagram reels. And then I was gonna go, so normally I go to my little gym with the classes just to like my apartment gym, just to lift weights. I just really don't feel like taking a really like high intense workout today, but I still need to get something in, so that's what we're gonna do. So anyway, I don't know how long we're gonna work out. It might only be, you know, 45 minutes to an hour, but we're gonna lift some weights.
That last week and they already best friend. That last week and they already best friend. She's a Georgia State freshman. Told her I'ma pull up at your place at 10. Girl, you look good, I would risk everything. Make me forget what safe sex is. I'ma finish right now if I don't take breaths in. I recommend you don't listen to your friend. It ain't been the same since they stepped in. 25 deep in the same section. I'm on fire. you often. Told me this ain't something that you do often. Can't say the same, so use caution. Use caution. Just say hit me with an F and two girls with them told me you ain't got a preference. I'm on call, not asking questions. That last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. That last week and they already best friends. Two at a time and in my bed. One at the top and the other give me head. Girl, fuck it out. Baby, make cool with friends. Two girls with friends. That last week and they already best friends.
Okay, workout done. Wasn't very long. I think we were only there for like 45 minutes, but I did like no breaks. So 45 minutes, no like rest in between sets. Babes. Before I go to bed, I got a package. My baby abs trying to make way. This is what I got. I saw this. This is a TikTok buy. TikTok, stop putting stupid shit on my For You page because I do buy everything. All right, guys, don't mind the massive pimples on my face. Wait, we are going to go get our Botox done right now. I am feeling so nauseous. I don't know why. I like ate breakfast and instantly after I started feeling nauseous, so I kind of wish I didn't eat. Yeah, so we're running late, so I'm just stressed. So it's the same injector, different location, so I don't even know where I'm going really. But I will talk to you guys when I get there because I need to focus on driving quick and getting there. Okay, guys, I just got done with my Botox appointment. This is where I went. I don't know if it'll focus on that. White Coat Aesthetics. You can see my dirty car window. But like I said, I went to my same injector, so it wasn't like a new injector, just a new place. It's actually really nice inside, which I will have all her information down below. My injector's name is Erin, and that's where she works in Las Vegas if you are a local. One other time, anyone that's watched my like any of my Botox or injection stories knows this because I say it 100 times. But yeah, I got my Botox done one other time by this other girl here and it was so bad. Anyway, yeah, so it went really well. I don't know what the hell was going on with me on my way there. You probably tell my voice. I did not feel good. I thought I was gonna fucking throw up. Sometimes when I take my vitamins in the morning, it makes me really nauseous for no reason. So all I had was like 2 hard-boiled eggs, which is what I normally have for breakfast every day. So it's not anything, you know, out of the normal. And I didn't even have like coffee or anything. Like I could understand sometimes if I have too much coffee or something. Yeah, it is really normal though when I do take my vitamins early that I get nauseous, but I still take them. I'm gonna go get a coffee and chillax until I have to go to work. I have to go to work later. All right, everyone, bag is secured. Okay guys, I just got home. My Zara package, yay. So I got 2 perfumes from Zara. I've tried their perfumes before, but I'm trying a new one. So first I got the Gardenia. This I've had before from them. So my last camera didn't have autofocus and I hated it, and this one has autofocus and I hate it. Yeah, it's a perfect dupe for Black Opium by YSL. I get these ones as dupes and then I wear my expensive ones for like actual occasions. So I do this for like every day, and I would wear my YSL Black Opium if I have like something special. So it's only $19.90 for the refill. And then this is, oh, this is the funnel. Though saves waste and way cheaper. And then the next one I got is this apple juice. This I have not smelled. Why is the package open? This was only $17.90. This is supposed to smell like the Chance perfume by Chanel, which is one of my favorites. Oh, very similar. Very similar. Oh my god, very similar. So the Gardenia, which is this one, which I bought the refill for because you can tell your girl's out, smells just like Black Opium. I was wearing the Gardenia the other day and some girl was like, oh my god, is that Black Opium? I said no, but doesn't it smell just like it? So that's how much it smells like it. People have asked me if it is it. You can see I don't have that much left in it. And yeah, that apple juice smells just like this one, the Chance by Chanel. Literally just like it. But yeah, I love the idea of the refillables. Oh shit. Oh shit, can we open it? I can't stress my face, I just got Botox. OMG. We shall never get inside. Oh, did that work? No. Okay, we'll do this later. Okay guys, I'm about to go into work. I just did really light makeup because we needed to cover those. But I am starting to feel the Botox kick in a little. Mine always, I can feel it right away. Some people it takes like the full 2 weeks. I don't see the results until I'd say like probably a week in. But I can feel it. Especially my lip. I like can't smile all the way. Like she's looking better already. But yeah, I just tried definitely this first day to, even though I have to work, take it easy, making like facial expressions, which is hard because I think that's why I feel like I need Botox so young, is because I'm naturally very expressive with my face. I hope I get off early today, but I am not hopeful about it. I hope, but I am not thinking that I will. Hey guys, I look a wreck, I know. I almost said, no, it just turned 8. I was gonna say it's 7 in the morning, but it's 8. I literally couldn't rest. I was like, I must get this open. I can't sleep. I literally had this thought at 7 a.m. and was like, I need to get out of bed and do this. This is the best gift ever. This is from my grandma. So it opens any jar. So I was telling her a story about how I can't open jars and you can adjust it. And I was like, I don't know if it'll adjust to the right size. Yeah, it did. You just put it on like this and then you just twist it. Any jar. This one's already open, so it's easier. I tried it and it worked. If you are not strong, you need that. Okay, so yeah, you just twist this top off. This is the, also I lost 2 of my nails, so we need to fix that. Okay, and it comes with this little funnel to make your life so much easier. You just put the funnel on. It smells perfect. So this is double the amount that's in here. And this was like $17 to $20, and this was $20. So once you have this, just buy the refillables. And you literally just pour it in. Oh, I'm spilling. Okay, don't do that. Okay, and I'll leave a little bit of space. Okay, and then update too, since I've worn them both now. So that other one, the apple juice, and then yeah, this is still half full. The apple juice perfume that I got, that's supposed to smell like the Chance by Chanel. It smells just like it. It does not last very long at all. This one lasts way longer. Like this I smell on me for like hours. The other one I feel like I put on and like I can't smell it anymore. 10 out of 10. I'm so excited I figured out how to get it open. But anyway, I'm editing the vlog for literally today. So I'm gonna go edit that and upload it, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching.